What's up guys, CORVETTE back at you with another video. Today we're going to wash the car. Got the phone Canon, but thanks to my friend here, I'm gonna use it. Hopefully it makes a good video for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a couple things that I use for the car, especially for cleaning the wheels and stuff. Links will be in the description below if y'all are interested in those. But let's go ahead, not waste any more time, let's get into it. There it is guys, right there. Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. Perfect for cleaning wheels. So easy, turns all the brake dust purple. Let it sit for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then go ahead and rinse it off and it's all good. They're both coming in at the same time. Hey, Brady. Get closer to the curb and pull it more. Alright guys, so as we're cleaning, look who decided to show up. Brady with the Z06, Tyler with the 5.0, and there they are over there. Ah, but they wanted to watch too. Alright guys, it's time for Brady's turn now. There's Tyler. There's Forrest and Brady. Brady's turn, the Z06, and then the 5.0. right, here we go. I gotta get Tyler now, finally in the video. Mine's the oldest out of y'all's though.
Oh yeah?
The car. No, what years is yours?
Oh, car.
Yeah.
Oh, 15?
Oh, 14. You talking about age?
Yeah, they're talking about age.
Oh, I don't know. Who's oldest?
Forrest.
Who's youngest?
Brady. My retirement car.
I almost have my retirement car.
Somebody was saying something. Said Brady had the youngest midlife crisis. 2 of them. Yeah, I was gonna say I've done it twice. You like it so much, you got the better one. Yeah.
All right, guys, and here's the finished product. Look how clean this car looks. Super clean. The whole thing. How shiny the wheels are. Back to front. And then look how clean this Z06 looks.
They're really nice. Especially like it was a 2019.
And we're finishing up the 5.0.
This is why I took vacation.
All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Just going over doing the car wash with the boys. Just kind of showed you a couple of things, the products that we use, the foam cannon, the wires, ultimate wheel cleaner. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and can't wait to do the next one there. But shout out to my guys over here in the back. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, peace, guys.